and sister.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of
its rich
and very heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders.
and leaders.
I shall treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I place my devotion
I place my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and for 30 alone.
and prosperity alone.
Nice myself tonight.
As my